What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by YG Wigs. This is the packaging, a cute little bag. Inside the bag I got another package, guys. It came with a edge comb and brush. It came with a pair of lashes. It came with some clips. It came with a book with all the different wigs that YG Wigs has. It came with a bonnet, but this type of bonnet, guys, is the long bonnet that you don't have to, you know, fold your hair. You can just put it on and it stay long. It came with a pair of earring, as you guys can see. It also came with 2 gift cards. That's what we have right here. And also with the bonnet, guys, I got a ear tie and also a small like ear band, I guess, and a pair of wig caps. So that is all that is all I got in the small little box, small little bag. Oh my god. So guys, this unit today is a 22-inch deep wave unit, guys. It's a 13x4 lace front. It came with a total of 3 combs on the inside, I believe, and a adjustable strap in the back. It also came pre-plucked, so that was nice. And yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to YG Wigs for sponsoring this video. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, guys. Every information for this unit that you guys are seeing right now will be in my description box. So all you gotta do is click the link and it take you exactly to YG Wigs site, and you can choose whatever wig you like. Also, guys, I love the packaging of this wig. As you guys can see, it's 150% natural color. Okay, guys, so this is what the wigs look like. It's a beautiful wig, you know, very detailed wig. The curl pattern is amazing, as you guys can see. The hairline is properly pre-plucked, so that's nice. And this is the inside of the units.
Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising Closet full of shoes and design bags. She got a name, but everybody call her fine ass. That fine ass. Ain't even gotta see a top hat. Phone in the phone, she a mixed breed. Hips on